Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring one of the most unique attractions in Na Hills, that is the French Village. If you have already seen the Golden Bridge or the Flower Garden, this is the next stop you don't want to miss. The French village is designed as a replica of a medieval European town. Walking through it, you will see cobblestone streets, Gothic-style churches, town squares, and castles. The idea was to recreate the charm of old France right here in the mountains of Vietnam. Built by Sun Group, it opened in 2010 and quickly became one of the highlights of Na Hills. What makes it special is the atmosphere. At over 1400 meters above sea level, the cool mountain climate adds to the European feel. The mist, the stone buildings, and the street layouts make you feel like you stepped into another country. The French village is also packed with restaurants, cafes, and entertainment. You will find everything from Vietnamese food to European dishes, along with the bakeries and coffee shops. For those who want to stay overnight, the Mercure Da Nang French Village Hotel is located right here. It's styled in the same Gothic architecture and gives you a chance to enjoy the village after the daytime crowds leave. We see one D-Mart here. I don't know whether this has got any connection with the very popular and famous D-Mart brand in India. French village isn't just about architecture, it's also full of life. You will often come across short street performances, dancers, musicians, and entertainers bringing the squares to life. These shows are brief but lively, adding to the festive European style atmosphere that makes the village so memorable. There is another highlight here, the Sun Craft Beer Factory. This is the highest brewery in Vietnam. And if you are over 18, the entry tickets came with free beer coupons. When you visit the brewery, you could redeem these for freshly brewed craft beer or snacks like potato chips. The brewery itself is styled like a German beer hall with multiple levels where you can watch the brewing process or just relax with a drink. Now, just a fun question for you. They gave 2 glasses of beer or a potato chips per coupon. What would you choose, beer or potato chips? Together with Golden Bridge, the Flower Garden and Buddha statue, the French village completes the Na Hills experience. It's a mix of culture, entertainment and photo opportunities that make it one of the most visited attractions in Da Nang. If you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to hit the like button. Share this video with your friends please, and subscribe for more travel stories from around the world. And if you've been to Na Hills, let's know in comments which part impressed you the most. Thank you for exploring with me the French village. I will see you in the next video quite soon.